Green Tech Africa, an East African-based renewable energy company, has worked with major Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers as part of its aspirations to promote e-mobility in Ethiopia and beyond, across the African continent. The company has partnered with the Ethiopian Ministry of Transport in a series of events, including a one-month-long free electric vehicle transportation campaign, to raise public awareness on e-mobility.
When we introduced electrical vehicles for the first time, our motto was creating awareness, to engage in awareness creation, but people's response towards electrical vehicle is unexpected.
Official data show that Ethiopia spends an estimated annual average of $4 billion for the purchase of fuel. The Ethiopian government, as part of its 10-year perspective development plan that runs from 2021 to 2030, plans to import 4,800 electric buses and 148,000 electric automobiles.
So Ethiopia deserves electrical mobility than any other country in this planet, because we have the cheapest electricity per kilowatt hour. We are partnered and we are doing in collaboration or in cooperation with different giant manufacturers in China, accordingly for each segment. One of the biggest cooperation that we have is with Latin.
Working in collaboration with its Chinese partners, the company has planned to establish a car assembly factory in the near future, with its ultimate goal of becoming the manufacturing hub of electrical vehicles in Africa.
Within the next 10 years, we see Green Tech a manufacturing hub for electrical vehicles, having at least 60% of the EV components manufactured locally.